Video. Hello everyone. I'm Meenakshi from St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Ozur. I'm assistant professor in Department of Mathematics. My topic is complex analysis. So in that complex analysis, we see the implicit form of complex number. So define a linear fractional transformation that maps a distinct point Z1, Z2, Z3 in the finite Z plane onto distinct point W1, W2 and W3 in the finite W plane. This equation is called a cross ratio. So cross ratio means this formula is existed. That is modulus of W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 divided by W minus W3 into W2 minus W3. That is equal to Z minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z3 whole thing divided by Z minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z3. Z1. So numerator points is W, W1, W2 and W3. So all the points are existing numerator. Denominator means that also existed 4 points. So Z plane is corresponding to W plane. This equation is called a cross ratio. Next we see the example of this cross ratio. This is an important problem. This form it is asking in the semester question paper. So we see the problem. Find the linear fractional transformation that maps the points Z1 equal to -1, Z2 equal to 0, Z3 equal to 1 and W1 equal to -1, W2 equal to 1, W3 equal to I. So using the formula cross ratio. So W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 whole thing divided by W minus W3 into W2 minus W1. That is equal to Z minus Z1 into Z2 minus Z1 divided by Z minus Z3 into Z2 minus Z1. Next, putting the point. Here, Z1 equal to, W1, W2, W3 points are substituting in that formula. So we have W plus I into 1 plus I whole thing divided by W minus I into 1 plus I. That is equal to Z plus 1 into Z 0 minus 1 whole thing divided by Z minus 1 into 0 plus 1. Next, so W plus I into 1 minus I into Z minus 1 that is equal to minus of W minus I into 1 plus I into Z plus 1. Next, multiply first two value W plus I into 1 plus I. So W minus Wi plus I plus 1 into Z minus 1 that is equal to W plus Wi minus I plus 1 into minus Z minus 1. So after that multiplying these two. So we get this value Wz minus Wzi plus Zi plus Z minus W plus Wi minus I minus 1 that is equal to minus Wz minus Wz into I plus Zi minus Z minus W minus Wi plus I. Okay, next so merging this value, so we get after cancelling and merging the values, we get 2Wz plus 2Wi plus 2Z minus 2I which is equal to 0. So here 2W first in that first two terms 2W is taking common, taking outside. So 2W into Z plus I plus 2 is taking common outside. So 2 into Z minus I. Next, so in that 2 into Z minus 1 is transformed into right side means minus value. So 2W into Z plus I equal to minus of 2 into Z minus I. So we can cancel to both sides. So W into Z plus I equal to minus of minus Z plus I. So W is equal to I minus Z divided by I plus Z. So this is the value of this is the value of the function W. Thank you. Thank you everyone.